Hi, everyone. This is so exciting to see Louis McCall going to be our 2021 president of the board.
I mean, she really made it a point to help me get settled, because at the time I wasn't certain if I was going to stay in Arizona. And all that to say is everyone here has played a role in my ability to focus and continue to serve. We've had great guidance. As Cindy and Rebecca pointed out earlier, we've got past presidents, we've got past board members who have just been phenomenal in their level of intelligence and business acumen that they've brought to really help us continue to prosper and succeed. So I look forward to working with our new board members who are here and obviously our current board members.
By the authority conferred upon me, I declare you duly installed as president of the Scottsdale Area Association of Realtors for 2021.